I don't know how long I'm going to keep this video on social media, but I want to put this out. I'm not a person who rants, but a long rant coming up right now. All the ones who share knowledge here on social media, please know, are not coaches. After my work at the United Nations, when I started sharing my work here with humility, oh boy, the number of coaches who attended my sessions and what they did after that was eye-opening. The industry has one fundamental flaw, a complete misunderstanding of Austin's concept of steal like an artist. I think when Austin wrote Steal Like an Artist, it was to encourage creative people to draw inspiration from multiple sources, remix these ideas and create something new through their unique lens. But what's happening here is bad. It's not okay. People are literally copying frameworks, scripts and entire programs from established practitioners, changing just a few words, and at times I think it's just changing the logo and calling it their own work. That is not stealing like an artist. That is plagiarism with a trendy hashtag. I've watched people join communities, soft promote their services on other people's vulnerable shares and prey on people's issues in these sacred spaces. The audacity of someone attending a session and then conducting the exact same session as if it's their own without even giving a regard from where they picked up this knowledge. And the worst of it all is these innumerable messages that you get asking, what is your price? I want to become like you. The answer to this is pretty simple. My price is the life that I've led and the experiences that have shaped me, the values that I hold and the virtue I live by. You can't pay for it. And here's why I feel the pinch so deeply. When these tools and frameworks land in the wrong hands, when their intent is wrong, it defies all purposes. These are tools of transformation, for healing, for growth. In the wrong hands, they become tools of manipulation, for profit without any purpose, and for harm which is disguised as help. So while I make sense of it all, I think we need to understand the difference between who's a coach, who's a mentor, and who is actually a facilitator. Part 2 coming up.